Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how to create scrolling text effect using the animation on Canva. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Canva application on my mobile phone, and then I'm just going to open up the project I have just created. And wait guys, I'm going to add text to this design. I'm going to select the text option, and then I'm going to select body text. Okay, here I'm just going to add random text like this. Okay, I think that's enough, and I'm going to show you guys how we can create scrolling animation for this text. If we want to create scrolling animation, we need to go to the animation menu. You can tap on your text like this, and you're going to scroll all the way to the right until you find animate. Okay, and here we'll have a lot of animations we can use for our text, and you need to select custom animation. We're going to create a scrolling animation with this custom animation. Okay, you can follow the instruction right here. Select and drag an element around the canvas to create your animation. And I'm going to animate this text to create scrolling animation. So I'm just going to move it up like this. Okay, and this is how the animation looks like, and you can customize the movement style. You can choose original, smooth, or steady. Okay, and you will be able to customize the speed as well. Okay, and once you're done, you just need to click on done. But wait guys, I think I need to move my tags right here, and I'm going to create like movie credits. Okay, we can go to custom and then customize the speed and also the style. Okay, and then I'm just going to reset it. Wait, oops, I'm sorry, it's not perfect, but that's okay. Going to reduce the speed. Okay, and I'm going to make it smoother. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create scrolling text effect using the animation on Canva. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.